It's Joni with Crazy Coupon Lady. Come with me to Costco while I walk you through the August Costco coupon booklet and tell you which deals are my favorites. One of the deals I came for was these Adidas sneakers. They're only $27.99. These actually retail for $65. I found them selling between $50 and $60 online. They're only $27.99 at Costco this month. My store had sizes 8.5 through 13 men's. The smallest size fit my boys, so we are going home with 2 pair. One of the best things about the battery sale this month at Costco is it's all of the different sizes. So even though AA are the only thing that are advertised, you can pick up any battery size. But to give you a price compare, their AA batteries are selling for 45 cents a piece as part of the pack that's on sale. I compared to Walmart's biggest pack of Duracell AA's. They're selling for 82 cents. So we're talking about 45 cents a battery compared to 82 cents a battery. That makes the Duracell deal very legit and probably the best price we're going to see on batteries until the holidays. Always one of the more popular deals at my store, it would seem. These Charmin packs normally cost $29 and they're on sale for $22.99. Price per square foot is the way to compare toilet paper cost. This works out to about 2.7 cents per square foot. And to give you a comparison, like the biggest pack of Charmin at Target is about 4.5 cents per square foot. 2.7 cents is not the best price we'll see. If you're doing coupons, drugstore deals, you can find something better, but this is pretty cinchy. There's a limit of 2. It's a pretty good deal. So must be why it's already getting very picked over at my store. All right, you have a decision to make this week about laundry detergent. Do not just come to Costco and buy the same thing you normally buy. The pods are on sale. They are 19 cents per load. There is a liquid that's tied with Oxy. It's also right about 19 cents per load. If you want pods, you're going to have to pay a little bit of a premium. I don't feel like this is the best deal. And the liquid with Oxy is not the best deal. Let me show you over here. So at most stores, you're not going to pay more. Look at this is abandoned. Someone else figured it out that this costs more and they must have abandoned it here. This tied with Downy. Oh my gosh. Look, these are 2 different prices. This one's costing you 20 cents a load. This one's 14 cents a load this week. So if you're buying liquid, and that's what I'm going to buy, 14 cents a load is a great price for Tide. Just get the Tide with Downy. All right, Chobani brand yogurt is never cheap. The 4 packs of Chobani, which is the best price you can get at Walmart, works out to $1.22 per cup. Costco has this less sugar variety, which I actually can't find anywhere else. With this deal this week, these work out to 56 cents. So 56 cents down from $1.22 per cup. These 16 packs of Chobani are a great deal at Costco this month. Nestle drumsticks are $3 off, ends up $7.99 for this box, or 50 cents a piece. You can compare that to 84 cents per cone at Walmart. Welch's fruit snacks cost 21 cents a piece at Walmart. And with this Costco sale, they're only 14 cents each. This whole box is $10. And there's a limit of 4, so I think if you've got kids and these are getting packed in their lunch boxes regularly, this is one of the best deals this month at Costco. Listen, I have 5 of these Frito-Lay chip boxes. It's part of the reason I came here, and it's, in my opinion, the very best deal at Costco this month. So with the instant savings, these work out to be about 28 cents per 1 ounce bag. Walmart sells them for like 48 cents. But get this, at this price, 27 cents per 1 ounce bag, these are actually cheaper than buying the big bag. So if you've ever heard me say, like, buy the larger bag to save on your unit cost, well, this sale at Costco is so good, it makes that totally untrue. There's a limit of 5. Technically, if you make multiple trips in the month, you can get more than that, but they're pretty big. So 5 is enough for me. I'm not going to have any room for more than that. But between you and me, I'm not sure we'll make it to Halloween with these. I did a little investigating on how good of a deal these Kirkland brand K-Cups are. They're normally $36. The box is $30 this month, and that makes this cost per pod about 25 cents. And to give you a point of reference, there's a couple different varieties. They're all the same price. Starbucks brand is pushing 60 cents per pod. Most other mainstream brands, even store brands, are closer to 50 cents a pod than 25 cents. So overall, this is a pretty screaming deal if you like the product. These Little Critter vitamins are on sale. And for me, this is a good but not great deal. This works out to be 3 cents per vitamin. Retail cost is about 6 cents. But like right now, these same bottles are selling for 5 cents per vitamin on Amazon and 4 cents if you use Subscribe and Save. So 3 cents is absolutely still the best price around. I'm just maybe not, there's a limit of 15. That's sometimes a clue also, right? If the limit is lower, it sometimes means the deal's better. This is a pretty good deal. Probably I should be buying them based on all of the junk food I just put in my cart. But anyway, I'm iffy on that deal. All right, here's one you're not going to get me excited about. These 5 packs of Crest 3D white toothpaste are 12 bucks, works out to $2.40 a box. And I get that for most people, that seems like a great deal, but I can almost promise you, if you come to thecrazycouponlady.com and navigate to either CVS or Walgreens, you're going to find a deal on name brand, high-end Crest or Colgate toothpaste for under $1. So I'm skipping this one. That's it for this month with Costco coupon deals. For more deals and some of those deals on the things like toothpaste under $1, visit us at thecrazycouponlady.com or download the free Crazy Coupon Lady app.